All right, welcome to my YouTube channel, Yaskotech.tech. Today I'm here to demonstrate to you my new app. It's called Choice Crafter Online MCDM Calculator. It's a portfolio project I did while taking the ALX software engineering program. I'm proud of it, and I'm proud to be part of the team. I'm proud of doing a lot of hard work there. So I'm going to demonstrate to you this simple to use application. With this simple example, we are going to be looking into 5 different type of laptop with different specification, and this specification are of different type. We have the cost, which is the first criteria, the hard disk size, the webcam, the RAM, and the looks. These are the criteria or attributes of this laptop, these different types of laptop. And the type of criteria can be beneficial or non-beneficial. A beneficial criteria is one whose increase in value is desired. That is, everyone desired a laptop with the highest hard disk capacity. And the non-beneficial criteria are criteria whose decrease in value is desired. That is, everyone wants to buy something of very high quality, but at very low price or cost. So those are the definitions. So each cell, each value in each of these cells are known as the performance value. The performance value of each criteria are given as seen on this screen. All right, we'll go back to our user interface for the Choice Crafter application. Demonstrate how to use it. You can see the number of criteria boldly written and the number of alternative boldly written. Here we determine that our number of alternative is 5 laptops. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of criteria is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 5 alternative and 5 criteria we have. So let's input the number of alternative is 5. And the number of criteria is 5. After that, we're going to click on this button to generate the decision metrics table. Here we have it. All right, after that, what do we do? We are going to minimize this and fill in the table. The first criteria name is cost. The second is hard disk size. And the third one is webcam. The fourth one is RAM size. And the fifth one is looks. Having done that, we're going to select the type of criteria. For the cost criteria, we know it's a non-beneficial criteria. So we'll select that. On the rest of the criteria are all beneficial criteria. Select that appropriately, maximize. After that, we fill all the performance value for each criteria. I've done that in this tab. So after filling everything, this is how it will look. After that, we're going to click on submit button. Wait for a while to see the results. Bam! Here's the result. Our result says that the best choice for your alternative is $800 cost, $800 for the cost, 750 hard disks, 30 pixel webcam, 8 gig RAM, and 4 looks, or for the looks. And the performance values for this particular best alternative is 0.87. So that is how to use the online MCDM calculator. It's as simple as that. You want to regenerate or you want to reset the table, all you need to do is to re-click the generate decision metric button. Or you can also refresh the page to get back to base. Thank you very much at how to use the MCDM online calculator. You can click here to get to our repository, to my repository on GitHub, and link up with me on Indeed. You can contact us here, and you can read about us here. Thank you very much.